Boaters Net would like to offer a 1991 Mercruiser Sea model 270 Sundowner Power boat for sale. The boat currently resides in Brandonville, West Virginia, and the asking price is $16,000. The boat has a beam of 9 feet, draft of displacement of approximately 5,800 pounds, a draft of 3 feet, cruising speed of 25 knots, maximum speed of 40 knots, holds approximately 100 gallons of fuel, 24 gallons of water, and 24 gallons in the holding tank. The owner states the interior has all been redone. It has a refrigerator, microwave, cooktop sink, radio CB. All the electrical systems work. It has a shore power cord with 2 covers. The owner states his boat is very clean and ready to go. For more information or pictures to contact the owner, visit boatersnet.net.